In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter a trade on TradingView desktop. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you're not only comfortable but also confident in placing trades within this platform. First, let's talk about setting up your TradingView account. To get started, open your TradingView desktop platform and log into your account. It's essential to be logged in because this access allows you to connect to a broker, which is the first step you need to undertake. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen where you'll find the trading panel. This is your hub for connecting either a paper trading account, which is great for practice, or your live broker account if you're ready to trade for real. To connect, simply click on the broker's logo or use the search function within the panel to find it. This step is crucial as it essentially opens the door for you to begin trading using TradingView. With your account ready to go, the next step is to select the asset you're interested in trading. At the top of the platform, you'll find the symbol search bar. Here you can type in the stock, cryptocurrency, or currency pair you want to trade. This feature is designed to be intuitive, allowing you to quickly access a wide range of trading options. Now that you have your asset selected, it's time to initiate the trade. You have a couple of options here. You can either right-click on the chart for the asset you've selected and choose Trade or Create New Order, or you could simply click the Trade button that appears on your screen. This opens the door for you to customize your trading order based on your strategy and market analysis. Once you've initiated the trade, the execution window will pop open. This is where you'll make some decisions. Decide first if you're buying or selling the asset. Then, you'll need to select an order type. You have three main choices here: a market order, which carries out the trade immediately at the current best available price; a limit order, which only executes when the price reaches the point you've specified or better; and a stop order, which turns into a market order when your specific price is reached. Don't forget to enter how many shares or units you wish to trade. Additionally, it's a good idea to incorporate some risk management strategies at this point. You can do this by setting take profit, target, and stop loss prices. The last step is to finalize everything. Carefully review all the details of your order. When you're satisfied that everything is correct, click Send Order to execute your trade. Now you can watch your position in real time on the platform, allowing you to stay informed and ready to make any necessary adjustments. That's it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to enter trades using TradingView Desktop. Happy trading!